So I'll show you how the driver tracking link looks on mobile. So I'm just going to quickly share my mobile screen with you guys so that you can see how that looks. Just gonna change that here. Yeah, so you can see it here. And this is how the tracking link looks on the mobile phone, right? So this is what the driver would see. When the driver is on the way, or when they're ready to go on the way to the pickup, they'll swipe on the start job page. So that goes. So now the UI says that they're on the way to pickup, right? And once they arrive at the pickup, they can say that they have arrived. And once they've finished picking up and loading the vehicle, they will click on, the pickup is complete, and they can upload some documents, they can upload images. So this is basically proof of pickup, right? So they can upload some document quickly. So I'm just gonna pick something up from here. I'll pick my photo library. I'm just gonna drop a random document for the time being, right? And I'll upload that file, and I can add some proof of pickup notes, right? Test POP notes, and I can confirm that, right? So once that is done, then the driver is on the way to the drop, right? So all of this, and I'll quickly show you, all of this is being updated in, for the shipper. I mean, the shipper can see all this live tracking on their tracking link. So they can see all the information here. So you can see where the driver is. You can see the POP that he's uploaded. This is what I had added from my app. So this is all updated in real time. And they can also track the driver live on a map. So this is the whole live tracking feature that we also have. And this is all updated in real time, right? So now let me screen share my driver flow again quickly. So you can again see the screen on my driver app or the driver web link. And when I'm on the way to drop, I'll say I'm on the way to drop. When I've arrived at drop, I'll update the status as arrived to drop. At the time of drop, I have to then upload the proof of delivery. So once the unloading is finished, I'll just say upload POD, and now I can upload proof of delivery, right? This is again very important. I'll be able to take a photo, or I can browse my files. I'm just going to upload 2 images quickly. Okay, I can only upload images, so I'm just going to upload one. I'm just going to quickly, okay, just take this, and it's not accepting that. Let me just quickly take a photo. So I'm just going to take a quick photo. I'm going to upload that, and this will become the proof of delivery. POD notes, and I'll confirm that, right? So once that is done, the delivery is marked as, and the proof of delivery is done, and I can mark the job as completed, right? So the job is now completed. Now I can go back on the carrier or on the shipper portal, right? And mind it, the carrier and the shipper both would receive all these updates in real time, right? It's not just one of them. If I go to the details, it will show me that it will show me all the updated information, including the proof of delivery, right? So POD and POP notes are both updated against the delivery. So I can see this now in the completed tab, right? So I've completed this delivery, and this was a vehicle. If I need to print the vehicle, I can. If I want to see the details, I can always go back here and see the information, see the details here. But I can print the vehicle, I can print the bayan, right? So this is the flow interaction between a shipper and a carrier in the marketplace flow. And this comes integrated the TMS, and we've just demonstrated how all of this comes together, right? So I will continue showing you the flow of how the vendor flow will happen in case a shipper wants to invite the vendor. And in the third flow after that would be if a shipper wants or a broker wants to sort of assign a load to their own drivers, right? So I'll show you those flows next.